Historical sites, rich heritage, lush forest, rolling hills and immaculate coastlines, dito yan matatagpuan sa Bataan. Kung hindi ka pa nakapunta dito, tara, samahan mo ako at ipapakita ko sa iyo ang beauty at iba't ibang opportunities dito sa Bataan. Lahat ng mga nabanggit ko kanina about Bataan ay nakikita mo dito. Historical sites, mga burol at bundok na may relaxing views, at syempre, hindi mawawala ang paborito nating lahat, ang dagat at pristine beaches. Hindi lang beaches ang dinarayo dito because here in Bataan, we have seen significant real estate developments located on the western side of the province along the coastline facing the West Philippine Sea. Naalala niyo ba yung Little Boracay na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina? It is owned by a notable real estate developer here in Bataan, which is on the Camaya Coast. Camaya Coast is a premier beach resort and residential community located in Mariveles, Bataan. It brags stunning shorelines, luxurious accommodations, and a range of recreational facilities. Madaming ino-offer si Camaya Coast, such as hotels, residential villas, golf villas, condos, water parks, and restaurants. Here are the projects na meron si Camaya Coast. Tandatangan Golf Residences, Hinawan Golf Residences, Camaya Sky Summit, Sky Town Forest, Camaya Golf Villas, Bayou Peak, Manara Point, Mont Kiara Terrace, Kensana Hills, Pelangi Heights, Horizontal Suites Hotel, Taman Ridge, Golf Villas, Aqua Fun Villages, Beach Villas, Camaya Coast Housing. And kung investor ka, makikita mo tong Camaya Coast as a good opportunity for real estate investment because Camaya Coast development is going to be bigger soon as they will have their own airport for private flights. And they are also about to finish building a mall inside the Camaya Coast. Now, imagine living in this kind of environment where all you need is here, pati ang relaxation and peace of mind, dito mo rin mararanasan. And if interested ka or willing ka mag-invest sa Camaya Coast, just contact our Facebook page and samahan na rin kita sa site viewing. Have a great day everyone and see you again here sa Camaya Coast.